Have a look on the question of illustration 16. On 1st April 2017, Z Limited purchased a machine for rupees 120. 1,20,000 was the purchase price of the machine. On 30th September 2018, next year, it acquired additional machine for 20,000. And on 30th June 2019, one of the original machine purchased on 1st April 2017, which had cost 5,000, was found to have become obsolete and was sold as scrap for rupees 500 only. On the same date, a new machine was purchased for rupees 8,000 and depreciation is charged 15% per annum on written down value method. Accounts are closed on 31st March every year. So you have to show the machine account for 3 years only, first 3 years. Have a look on the question first. Because we already know that we are going to sell one part of this machine after 2 years. One part. So why don't we keep the part aside in the beginning? If we have read the question carefully, on April 1, 2017, we have purchased a machine. In place of 1, we can write it 2. I am going little bit different from the book. So in place of 1, we can write 2. 5,000, we will consider this was the first machine and remaining 1,15,000. Total 120 cost machine we have purchased. We have purchased a machine costing rupees 120, but we will consider it 2. One part of 5,000 and one part of 1,15,000. Now bache, account will be closed on 31st March 2018. March 31. Now how many depreciations we will charge? Obviously 2 depreciations we have to charge for 2 machines and 2 balance CD will be there for first and second machine. This will be the first year of the question. We have considered this machine as 2 machines. We have considered this machine as 2 machines. Now we will charge 2 depreciations at the rate 15% on diminishing balance method. So 5,000 into 15%, it will be 750. And 1,15,000 into 15%, it will be 17,250. Okay, bache. Now we have to calculate 2 balance CDs. 5,000 minus 750, it will be 4,250. And 1,15,000 minus 17,250, it will be 9,750. We have considered one machine as 2 machines. 2 depreciations we have charged, 2 balance series we are having. Now 2018 April 1. To balance brought down. We are having 2 machines now. 4,250 for first machine, 9,750 for second machine. This year we have purchased an additional machine on September 30. On September 30 you will write to bank account. You have purchased an additional machine costing rupees 20,000. This is your third machine. Now bache, you are having 3 machines and you will charge 3 depreciation this year. 2019 March 31. You will charge 3 depreciation this year by depreciation account. First, second and third. 3 depreciations you will charge. On 4250, 15% will be charged. It will be 637.5, or we can also write it 8. Okay, then second remaining 97750, and 15% of it will be 146620, 2.5. So this is the depreciation for first and second machine. This is the depreciation for first and second machine. Now we have to calculate the depreciation for third machine also. 20,000, 15% for 6 months only. Why 6 months, bache? We have purchased on 30th September. September have gone. October, November, December, January, February, March. We have used this machine for 6 months only. So 15% of 20,000 will be 3,000, and for 6 months we will charge depreciation 1,500. Got my point, bache? Now you will be having 3 balance carried downs. First, second, and third. 3 balance CDs you will be having. 4250 minus 637.5. It will be 3612.5. Then 97750 minus 14662.5. It will be 83087.5. Then third, 20 minus 15, it will be 18,500. Okay, bache, got my point? Total will be 1,22,000. 2 years we have completed. What we have done, bache? In initial year, we have considered the one machine as 2 machines, because we already know that we are going to sell one part of this machine after 2.5 years. So what we will do, we will consider them 2 machines. To depreciation we will charge 15% for the whole year, because we have purchased on April 1. So April to March for whole year 15% will be charged to depreciation. Then 2 balance CD will be there. Then these 2 balance CD will become the balance BD. One more machine we have purchased on September 30. Now you are having 3 machines. 3 depreciations you will charge. 15% on these 2 values, and on this third machine you will charge 15% for 6 months only, because you have purchased after 6 months. So you have used only from October to 31st March only for 6 months. So you are having 3 balance CDs now. This is the last year of the question, 2019 April 1. 2 balance brought down. 3 machines you are having, bache. 3612.5, 83087.5, and 18,500. So what happened this year? This year on 30th June we have sold one of the machine. June 30 by bank account. This first machine was destroyed and was sold for 500 only. But we have used this machine till June 30. So what we will do, we will charge depreciation on it. 3612.5, 15%. For how many months? April, May and June. 3 months. From April to June we have used this machine for 3 months only. And on June 30, after using it for 3 months, it has been sold. So for 3 months we will charge depreciation on it. 3612.5 into 15%, and 3 months, 3 by 12, it will be 135, approximately 135, or you can write 135.5. Okay, bache. Now from this value we will subtract the bank and depreciation. Bank and depreciation both will be subtracted from this value. If we consider the first year, if we will consider this machine as two machines, then no need for the further calculation at this point. From this value we will deduct these two and we will definitely get the loss. So from 3612.5 you have to subtract 500 and 135.5. It will be बच्चे loss. 3612.5 minus 500 and minus 135.5. It will be 2977. This is your loss. From this value you have to subtract these two figures. Then this is your bache loss directly. No further calculation is required at this point. Now this year will end on 2020 March 31. Now you are only having two machines. Second one and third one. First is sold off and this was the loss. So on second machine you will charge depreciation for the whole year. 83087.5 into 15%. It will be 12463 point, or you can say 1 is there, so leave. This is 12463. Now on this third machine full year's depreciation will be charged now this time. On 18500 15% will be charged and this will be 2775. Now we will be having two balance carried downs because our first machine is sold off. So we will write two balance carried downs. From this we will subtract the depreciation. 83087.5 minus 12463. It will be 70624.5. And the next one 18,500 minus 2775. It will be 15725. This is the total of third year. You will leave the question by writing the balance VD. April 1, 2 balance brought down. Second machine and third machine. 70624.5 and 15725. This was your question number 16.